So in this video, we are required to determine the quartiles for the list of 16 set of numbers we have here. Now, before quartiles is to be determined, one thing that is very important to note is that the number has to be arranged in ascending order of magnitude. Unlike median, which can just be arranged in order of magnitude, this one has to be ascending order of magnitude. Median can be arranged in both either ascending or descending order. That's number one. So, and if you look at the set of numbers given here, by observation, they have been arranged in ascending order of magnitude. So the next thing is to know what is the number of entries we have. If you look at it, we have 16 of them. So in this case, n is equal to 16. So for us to get any quartiles, we must determine their cutoff point. And we must first determine the median of the whole distribution. So this implies that I have to determine the median of 2, 4, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9. We have to determine the median. Since n is 16, which is even, the median will be the arithmetic mean of the two middle items. So if we divide 16 numbers into equal halves, we're going to be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the cutoff point, right? So then we have 8 to this side, 8 to this side. So in that case, the median is the arithmetic mean of the two middle items. And don't forget, under quartiles, Q2 represent the median. So this is Q2, which is the median. And it is given by what? That is 7 plus 7 divided by 2, which is 7. So the median is 7. Then, for us to get Q1, we are still going to be taking the median of the upper quartile. So anything you have from here to this point is the upper quartile. And anything you have from here to this point is the is the lower quartile. So basically, it's the median of the Q1 is the median of the upper quartile after the cutoff point. Then Q2 is the median of the lower quartile. So in this case, we need to determine the median. How many numbers do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for 8, we need to divide it into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is another cutoff point, right? So the median of this set of numbers, you take 3 to the left, you take another 3 to this side. So the median is the arithmetic mean of 5 and 7, which will give you your Q1. So you can say that your Q1, which is your first quartile, will be 5 plus 7 divided by 2. And 5 plus 7, that is 12. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Then for this one too, just like what I did there, so if we split it into 2, this is their cutoff point. So you pick 3 to this side, another 3 to this side. So what we have here is your Q3. That is the median of the upper quartile. The lower half of the quartile. So this one will now give you 8 plus 9 divided by 2. And 8 plus 9, 17. 17 divided by 2 will give us 8.5. So summarily, we have gotten Q1, Q2, and Q3. So summarily, we can say that Q1 in this case is 6. Q2 in this case is 7. And Q3 in this case is 8.5. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription is a motivation to produce more videos. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.